Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in the last few sessions we have understood about like what is CloudFront, what is CloudFront CDN to be very specific, and how we can manage CDN, how we can create the distribution and everything. So now in this particular session we are going to learn like how we can configure our distribution, like how we can manage our CDN settings, how we can actually put something into CDN and can deliver it like all over the globe, okay, by using this CloudFront CDN. So we are going to learn each and everything in this particular session. So now let's start the session. So in this session we are going to understand like how we can configure our distribution further. So we are having few steps by which we can configure it. So we are having first access your distribution. Just go and just try to access the distribution which you are going to configure. Then we can edit the settings, and also we can monitor the performance of our CloudFront CDN. So we are just going to do that practically. So without wasting a time, let's just go to our AWS console and let's try to configure it. So guys, as you can see, like I'm in my dashboard of CloudFront, and we have just created this distribution. And as you can see, distribution domain name, then we are having this Amazon resource name, then we are having all this information. So now let's just try to check the security. So this is the security thing, and we have enabled the web application firewall. Like earlier in the last session I've already told you, like when we were trying to access this. And also we are having this origin setting, from where we are getting this origin. So we are getting this particular thing from the bucket. Okay, so if you want to create another origin like apart from this S3, you can do that. Let me just show you. I'm not going to show you completely, but still you can choose anything. So we have all, like we are only having this S3 as of now. If you have configured this elastic load balancer or API gateway or media store or media package, anything, like it will be visible over here and you can choose that as well. So this is what we are having. And apart from that, we are having behavior setting. Like behavior setting is like how particular distribution is going to behave and how it is actually working. And then we are having the error pages. So if there is any kind of like error response you're going to get, or someone is going to get, like then with this thing we can just reflect that. Apart from that, invalidation, like it is similar to that as well. Then we are having the tags. Okay, so also we are having the metrics of this, like how our distribution is working. Let me just show you. Okay, so these are the matrices. We are having distribution matrices, and as of now we don't have much information over here, but still, like if we are able to I can say perform this, like if this particular thing is running over the internet, then we'll be getting some I can say matrices over here. And if you want to monitor this, you can just add some widget like add monitor, and you can monitor this. So we have, as of now we haven't studied about the CloudWatch, like how we can monitor AWS services. So that's why like I'm just telling this particular thing, because the CloudWatch we are going to just learn in the upcoming session. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood like how we can configure our distributions, how we can manage our CDN settings. So that was all about this session. I hope you guys have understood the complete topic of CloudFront CDN, or we can say CloudFront Content Delivery Network, which is actually being offered by AWS. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much.